Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope that you all have been enjoying my 7-part summer decorating series. And if you have not had the opportunity to see all 7 parts, I will leave the playlist at the end of this video, and there will be some videos appearing at the upper top corner of this video that you can click directly on and take a look at them. Well, in today's video, I'm so excited to bring to you my summer home tour for 2022. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new and you would like to see more of Felicia by the Seasons, just click that subscribe button and welcome to the family.
We could be good friends, yeah, we could be good friends. We could be good friends, we could be good friends.
Now, this home tour will be set to music, and as you travel throughout my home, you will notice that I have a running theme throughout my home. The living room area is nautical decor inspired, and when you arrive into my kitchen and dining area, you will see a combination of the bee and lemon theme. So I hope you enjoy this tour. So I want you to grab your favorite drink, and let's get into the home tour. Cheers! This is an update about these beautiful flowers that were planted before Mother's Day on our patio. They have grown tremendously and they seem to love these hot summer temperatures. So this is a night view and I truly enjoy looking out my kitchen window every morning to see these beautiful pink blossoms. I want to thank you all for stopping by my channel today. I want you to keep your notification bells on because I will be coming back with some fall videos. We're going to be doing some store tours, some shopping hauls, and then we'll get into decorating. So until the next video, happy decorating. Bye guys.